Hi, this is Jerry, the owner and operator of Journeys by Geri, and in today's video, we are doing a room tour of an oceanfront junior suite at the Hyatt Zilara in Cancun. It is an adult-only resort. Shout out to my sister-in-law who's doing the room tour for me. She made it to the resort before I did.
So here we are, the Hyatt. It's very pretty, it's done very well. So as soon as you walk in, this is the cabinet here. It's got the refrigerator. See, there's a coffee machine. Little light comes on, you know. Those drawers down there are empty. And you pull out, and there you go. There's water and soda and a couple of drinks. It's a little mini bar, I guess that's what they call this one here. It's really nice. Okay, they got some more water up here. Top. Let's get to the bathroom area. So, I love the pillars here. It looks really nice. There's this huge, like, arch. Let me step over here so I can see that a little better. Okay. Oh, there we go. Make it a little smaller. All right, so I like what they did with the space. Okay, so here is where the safe is, and there's the hairdryer. You got some little slippers there. Nice, beautiful cabinets. And then here's where we hang up all of our stuff. There you go. And here's the vanity. Beautiful vanity. What a beautiful woman standing in it. Now the bathroom is actually pretty cool. You got nice toiletries and another vanity here. Okay. And it says empuje means to push. So we've got our stuff ready to go. Here's a nice big shower. And this right here is how to flush the toilet. Just press the button, which I thought was really cool. It's pretty. I like the way it looks. But let's get to the rest of the room here. Like I said, I love these columns, and this is the room here. Nice big bed. It's my water thing to sit on here. And spa tub. And they left the little gift things here. You can tell they've been cleaning because things were left open and they knew that I really needed to sleep. And look, we've got little bags here. And I think this is a gift for us. I will wait. I'm going to wait for the Hyatt Zilara here. I'm gonna wait for Jerry to get here. And nice size spa tub. There you go, nice big mirror so we can see ourselves getting in and out of the spa tub. And this is also very nice right here. Ooh, our television there. I'm doing this here. Oh, this was a dessert that we were supposed to eat when we got in. And it kind of toppled over. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. I can have the whipped cream on top. And some champagne. Champagne. Right there. And then this is our balcony. Now, they're doing like this party thing. So, certain things cost here. I guess the package that we have does not include the party that's going on right now. This is our view from our room. Look at that. Look at that. regular curtains, and of course blackout curtains. It really do black things out. All in all, a really nice looking room. Nice mirrors. Alrighty. See you later.